In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off call vibration on your iPhone. Many people find the vibration during incoming calls to be distracting or unnecessary. By following a few simple steps, you can easily turn off the vibration for incoming calls on your iPhone. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Haptics. After that, tap where it says Ringtone. And then scroll to the top of the screen. Tap Haptics. On some iPhones, this might be called vibration. To turn off vibration for incoming calls, simply scroll down and tap on the None option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.